Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be through the Thomas Hardy's short stories and short story collections, when they appeared, and in which magazine or collection did they appear. So let us begin with the short stories of Thomas Hardy. First one is How I Built Myself a House, 1865. Destiny and a Blue Cloak, 1874. Third is The Thieves Who Could Not Stop Sieging, 1877. The Duchess of Hamptonshire, 1878. It was collected in a group of noble dames. It is a collection. The Distracted Preacher, 1879, collected in Wessex Tales. It is also a collection. Fellow Townsmen, 1880, collected in Wessex Tales. The Honourable Laura, 1881, it was collected in a group of noble dames. What the Shepherd Saw, 1881, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. A Tradition of 1804, appeared in 1882, collected in Life's Little Ironies. The Three Strangers, 1883, collected in Wessex Tales. The Romantic Adventures of a Milkmaid, 1883, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 12th is Interlopers at the Nap, 1884, collected in Wessex Tales. A Mere Interlude, 1885, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 14. A Tryst at an Ancient Earthwork, 1885, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 15th is Alicia's Diary, 1887, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 16th is The Waiting Supper, 1887-88, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 17th is The Withered Arm, 1888, collected in Wessex Tales. 18th is A Tragedy of Two Ambitions, 1888, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 19th is The First Countess of Wessex, 1889, collected in a group of noble dames. 20th is Anna, Lady Baxby, 1890, collected in a group of noble dames. 21st is The Lady Icenway, 1890, collected in a group of noble dames. 22nd is Lady Mottisfont, 1890, collected in a group of noble dames. 23rd is The Lady Penelope, 1890, collected in a group of noble dames. 24th is The Marchioness of Stonehenge, 1890, collected in a group of noble dames. 25th, Squire Patrick's Lady, 1890, collected in a group of noble dames. 26th, Barbara of the House of Grebe, 1890, collected in a group of noble dames. 27th, The Melancholy Hussar of the German Legion, 1890, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 28th, Absent Mindedness in a Paris Choir, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 29th is The Winters and the Palmlays, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 30, For Conscience Sake, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 31st, Incident in the Life of Mr. George Crookhill, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 32, on 32 number is The Doctor's Legend, 1891. 33 is Andre Satchel and the Parson and Clerk, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 34th is The History of the Hardcomes, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 35th is Nettie Sargent's Copyhold, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 36th is On the Western Circuit, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 37th is A Few Crusted Characters, Introduction, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 38th is The Superstitious Man's Story, 1891, collected in the Life's Little Ironies. 39. Tony Kite's The Ark Deceiver, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 40th is To Please His Wife, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 41. The Sun's Veto, 1891, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 42nd, Old Andre's Experience as a Magician, 1891, collected in the Life's Little Ironies. 43rd is Our Exploits at West Poly, 1892-93. 44th is Master John Horsley Knight, 1893, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 45th, The Fiddler of the Reels, 1893, collected in Life's Little Ironies. 46, An Imaginative Woman, 1894, collected in Wessex Tales, 1896, Edison. 47th is The Spectre of the Real, 1894. 48th is A Committee Man of the Terror, 1896, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 49th is The Duke's Reappearance, 1896, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 50th is The Grave by the Handpost, 1897, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 51. A Changed Man, 1900, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 52nd, Enter the Dragoon, 1900, collected in A Changed Man and Other Stories. 53rd, Jimmy Blue, the Horse Dealer, 1911. 54th, Old Mrs. Trundle, 1929. And 55th is The Unconquerable, 1992. So friends, it is a collection of short stories by Thomas Hardy. He wrote several short stories, and these short stories were individual as well as in collected editions. So friends, that is all about Hardy's short stories. We will meet in the next lecture.